Radharani. All Lakshmi, all queens, and all gopis, they are coming. So Radhika's manifestations. Avatari Krishna Jai Kare Avatar Hansini Radha Vaite Teen Ganira Vistar. Like Sri Krishna, all incarnations, all Vishnu Tattva, they are coming from Sri Krishna. Same way, all gopis, all Lakshmi, all Dwarika's queens, they are coming from Sri Radhika. Vaibhav Ganjanotar Anga Vibhuti Bimba Pratibimba Ru Maheshera Tati. Like Vaibhav, all evidence coming from Sri Krishna. And all gopis, queens, Lakshmi, all are coming from Radharani. Lakshmi Ganta Vaibhav Vilasam Saru Mahishi Gan Prabha Prakash Saru. Lakshmi, Vilas, part of part, Vilas. And Mahishi, they are Prabha Prakash coming from directly to Radhika's manifestation. Akar Sarup Vede Braja Devi Ga Kai Bhuva Gupta Rasera Kara. Their form, their Sarup. In this way, Radhika is Kai Bhuva. Brajagopi, their Radhika is Kai Bhuva. Bahu Kamta Bina Nahi Rase Rayullah Leela Rasai Lagi Bahut Prakar. Without so many gopis, beloved, no wonderful rasa necessary. Like Radharani, 8 types of heroine. Avishad, Vasaksati, Khandita, Kalahantari, Prosita Bhartrika, Akshepandita, Prosita Bhartrika. After then, she is Sadhana Bhartrika. But 8 types of heroine qualities, if no others, how can understand Radhika's speciality? In this way, so many Brajagopi, they have different mood and different seva and different qualities. How they are serving. In this way, so many types of mood, wonderful mood. Dharmati Brajinana Bhavarasa Bhedi Krishna ke Karai Rasadi Kalila Swadi. Dear Brajagopi, so many different mood, different way, all are serving to Sri Krishna. So Sri Krishna tasting this mood, this is called Ras Leela Aswati. Govinda Nandini Radha Govinda Mohini गोविंद सर्वस्य सर्वकांता शिरोमणि. She is giving up all happiness. Radharani giving all happiness to Sri Krishna. In this way, Radhika's one name is Govindanandini. Other name is Radha. And Govind, Sri Krishna, Radhika's one name is Govinda Mohini. Attractive to Sri Krishna. Govinda Sarvasya. Other name is Govinda Sarvasya. Sarvakanta Shiromani. She is topmost of all beloveds. In this way, Govindanandini Radha, Govinda Mohini, Govinda Sarvasya, Krishna Kanta Shiromani. Devi Krishna Mai Prokta Radhika Paradevata Sarvalakshmi Mai Sarvakanti Sanmohini Para. Priya Gautamiya Tantra spoke this verse. Devi, Radharani, she is Devi, she is Krishnamaya, she is Radhika, she is Paradevata, Sarvalakshmimaya, and Sarvakanti, Adari, Sammohini, and Para. In this way, so many wishes. Devi, why Devi? Radharani, why she is Devi? He is speaking. Devi kahi to tamana parama sundari kinva Krishna puja kedar basati nagari. Devi means very beautiful. Too much effulgent light, like sun. Everywhere sun rays, everywhere lightning. Same way, Radharani, she is Devi, very, very beautiful. Everywhere lightning. Other way, Krishna Puja Kidar Basati Nagari. Worship to Sri Krishna. Or all paraphernalias. All paraphernalias. Everything. Like Shankar, Ganta, Deep, Dhoop. All things. Sure, Radharani, she is all, everything. Sri Krishna Puja.
শ্রী নগরী মানে রাধারানীর একটা নগর নাকি শহর শরীরটা
হ্যাঁ শরীরটা নগর নয় রাধারানীর অল বডি এভরিথিং যা কিছু আছে সব কিছু দিয়েই তো কৃষ্ণের সেবা হয় কৃষ্ণের পূজা হয় বসতি নগরী মানে নগরী মানে নগর আশ্রয়স্থল আর যা কিছু আছে সব পূজার জিনিস সব পূজার দ্রব্য কৃষ্ণ পূজা ক্রীড়ার বসতি নগরী আচ্ছা পূজা করতে গেলে কি চাই धूप दीप शंख घंटा पंचमात्रा आचमन फूल चंदन तुलसी सब কিছু দিয়ে পূজা হয় তো রাধা রানীর বডিটাই হলো পূজার জিনিস সবকিছুই কৃষ্ণের পূজা সামগ্রী তাই না কৃষ্ণ আনন্দিত হন শ্রীকৃষ্ণ বিকাম হ্যাপি by Radhika, so Radhika's body, everything is puja samagri.
আলাদা কোনো সামগ্রী দরকার
কিড়ার বসতি নগরী শ্রীকৃষ্ণের যাবতীয় খেলা ধুলা যা কিছু সব রাধারানীকে নিয়ে without Radharani, how Sri Krishna playing? So Radhika's manifestation, all Brajabhumi. Everything Radhika's manifestation. Krishnamai. Radharani, she is Krishnamai. Krishnamai means inside, outside, everywhere, always Krishna is Krishna. Krishnamai, Krishna jar, bhitare, bahire, jaha jaha, netra padi, taha Krishna sphure. Inside, outside, everywhere, Shri Krishna. Where is you watching? Radharani, where is you watching? Everything Krishna. Always Krishna coming. Kingba prem rasamai Krishna saru. Radharani, Shri Krishna prem ras. Prem rasamai Shri Krishna saru. Shri Krishna is prem ras. Radharani, she is prem ras. Both are coming together. Krishna vancha purti roop करे आराधने अतएव राधिका नाम पुराणे व्याख्यान. She fulfill Shri Krishna's desire, all desire. She is serving to Shri Krishna. In this way, in the Purana Shastra, spoke Radhika. She is serving, everything serving to Shri Krishna. Ataiv sarva puja parama devata sarva palika sarva jagatera mata. She is attracting to everyone. In this way, Sarva Puja, Parama Devata, giving devotion, love to everyone.
Excited Sunday.
Sarva Palika, so protecting to everyone. Sarva Jagatir Mata, she is Mama. Whole universe. Sarvalokhi Sabda Purvi Kariyati Vekhan Sarvalokhi Kanetiyo Han Adhisthan. Sarvalakhi
Sarvalakhi.
means all Lakshmi, all gopis, all queens, everyone, all are coming from Radharani. Radhika's manifestation.
Radhika 是非这些
Sarvalakhi Krishna Sarvida Vaishwarya. Other way, Vaishwarya, Virya, Sri, Gyan, Vairagya, 6 kinds of opulence.
6种类型的
This is Sarvalakshmi.
Sarvalakshmi， 这就是生命女神的特征，6种富。
तार अधिष्ठात्री देवी सर्वशक्ति वर्य राधारानी श्रीटमस अधिष्ठात्री देवी
在这所有的生命女神之中，最高的就是那个拉尼。
सर्व सौंदर्य कांति वैषये जाहते सर्वलक्ष्मी गणेश शोभा हाय जहाँ गईते all qualities, all effulgence, all beauty,
所有的漂亮
leave him in Radharani.
都住在拉达拉尼的身体之中，
Or
住在拉达拉尼身体。
all Lakshmi,
还有一个 Lakshmi 生命女神，
all qualities, all
一个
beauty
身上的这些
coming
所有
from
的漂亮
Radharani.
也都来自于拉达拉尼。
किंवा कांति शब्दे कृष्ण सव इच्छा कहे कृष्ण सकल वांछा राधा रहे कांति means
那个就是
Sri Krishna desire.
是 Krishna 愿望，
Sri Krishna all desire.
是 Krishna 所有愿望。
Radharani fulfill Sri Krishna all desire.
这所有的愿望。
राधिका करें कृष्ण वांछित पुर सर्वकांतिक तेरे अर्थ विवर राधा रानी कृष्ण समस्त इच्छा अभिलाषा पूर्ण करे से फुलफिल ऑल डिजायर्स
让满足所有的愿望。
जगत मोहन कृष्ण
他的模仿是 Krishna，
ताहर मोहिनी Sri Krishna attracted whole universe
是 Krishna 他吸引整个宇宙。
equally. But Radharani attracted to Sri Krishna.
但是拉达拉尼则吸引谁 Krishna， 谁 Krishna 吸引。
अतएव समस्ते पर ठाकुरानी she is topmost.
发现谁
राधा पूर्ण शक्ति कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान राधा रानी she is full energy. Krishna is he is powerful.
Krishna 是能量，然后所有的能量。
द्विवस्तु भेद नाई शास्त्र परमा both are non-different, only one.
无一无别。
मृगम तार गंध जो इच्छे अविच्छे